Today's featured car of the day is a 1963 Pontiac Grand Prix, done up as a 421 Super Duty tribute. And this one was a good-looking car, being white with the white interior, and it had the 421 Super Duty engine with the dual four barrels, the dual quads, and looked like it was sitting around for a while. Looked to be some type of barn find looking, but like a survivor. Not exactly sure, but it was definitely different. And being that Pontiac only made three real ones of the 421 Super Duty Grand Prix back in 1963, somebody spent a couple of bucks putting this guy together. But it looked good with the white interior, with the nice Pontiac dash, had power windows, the four-speed, and was in really nice shape. Gave you a good car to work with. Had the 8-lug wheels with the red line tires, and somebody definitely spent some money putting it together. Looks like it probably just sat around for a while. But as far as the Pontiac went in 1963, they sold 72,959 Grand Prix. And like I said, they made three 421 Super Duties out of that number, so not very many. But it was part of the first generation of the Pontiac Grand Prix, which went from 1962 through 1964. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.